right. How's everybody doing tonight? Here, let me put that logo up there. There you go. All right, so look, we've been selling these grill mats and grill mesh for about a month now. And we've gotten questions like, what's the easiest way to clean these things after you use them, right? So we have, these are grill mesh, right? It's kind of like a grilling screen. You can grill seafood on it, vegetables on it, fish. Like, you know, you put that stuff in here. I'm trying to look in both cameras at the same time. And you get it out. It's going to have some char stuff on there. Like, you can reuse these many times. So people want to know the best way to clean these. So this is what I do, right? If they're really bad, I'll rinse them off. And sometimes I'll soak them. But for the most part, when you go to clean them, you just put a little dish soap on a rag, right? You see, you put them down flat in your sink so they're on the flat surface, and you just scrub them off. That's all you do, and you'll see all the gunk come off of them, and they'll be just like new. You could put them in your dishwasher. I just think that's, I don't know. For me, it's not practical for me to do that, so I choose to not do that way. But yeah, you just scrub them like that. And if you have it on a flat surface, it's easier to do. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, let me see if we got any questions. See who's on here. All right, so how's everybody doing? I can't see who's on here yet. But look, you can see the dirty soapy water, right? Or the dirty soapiness. And then you just rinse it off. And then that's it. So they're that easy to clean. It's not a bunch of upkeep. You can throw them in your dishwasher if you choose to. Then I roll mine up, because for whatever reason I don't have a sprayer on my sink. And then you just set it aside. So I'll take and throw my other one in here. I'll rinse it off. I'm going to put some fresh soap on my rag. Alright. And then I just scrub this one off too. Like I said, if you got like a whole bunch of really bad stuff in it, you can soak them for a day if you need to. But for the most part, I mean, this is non-stick Teflon on here. So everything comes off of there really easy. So essentially what I'm saying is you don't have to soak them, but I know people who soak stuff all the time. If that's the way you want to do it up. But anyway, they clean up that easy. And the mats are exactly the same way. You just lay them in the flat surface and scrub them off. You can put them in your dishwasher, like I said, if you want to. I don't do mine like that, but you know, to each your own, right? So anyway, that is it today. Let me put this up. So anyway, that was it. I just wanted to let people know. Like I said, I had people asked on some of the other live feeds. I've had some emails. So since that, if I get a bunch of emails about something, I try to do a live feed about it, because I figure if a handful of people want to know, there's going to be a whole bunch of other people want to know too. How you doing, Jason, Shannon, Bayou Rick, Dave? Can you come vacuum? Oh, yeah, I can. I'm actually pretty good at that stuff, to be honest with you. So, yeah, it's going to be the Beast House Services. No. Let me see. Lucas, Feast with the Beast on Sunday, dishes with Dave on Monday. That's pretty good. But, yeah, no, actually, we could do that. It takes me about 3 hours to clean up after Feast with the Beast. Appreciate the jokes, though. It's pretty funny. But anyway, yeah. So then you just let these bad boys dry, and then you use them again. And in the next day or two, I will have them up on the website. I think I'm going to have time to do it tomorrow. And I have all my images that I need, so I'll be able to get that done tomorrow. As of right now, the only place to get them is grillbeastdeals.com. But after tomorrow, they will be on Grill Beast, I promise. I've had lots of people, you know, trying to track them down too. So What you cooking? You know what? I think we're just eating leftovers tonight. Last night, my daughters made me dinner, and they made me Chinese food. And this is no lie, it was actually good. I'm not kidding you. It was good. I even set them up because I didn't think I was going to like it. And Riley, she made chicken fried rice. And Tyler made a Chinese Roman noodle soup. And I'm telling you what, I even told her, I said, look, I'm not really hungry. Just give me a little tiny bowl. And then, so she hooked me up with a little tiny bowl, right? I ate 3 of these, and I'm telling you, it was really, really good. So we're eating leftovers tonight, so we don't, so it doesn't go bad. We don't want to throw stuff away. And that's pretty much it. I just want to show you all how to clean those grill mesh, beast mesh, and beast mats. And I'll probably do it again. Not tonight, obviously. And I might even come on and do a live feed later on tonight at like 9, 10 o'clock. Something I got to run the kids around, CAP, all that. It's time to get stuff going. So anyway, we're about to run out the door. Did you get a restock on the nitro gloves? We have nitro gloves. We are almost out of the mediums and the extra large. We have a good bit of large left. Later on tonight, I will be ordering more from the factory. But it takes me longer to get nitro gloves. So what's kind of crazy is the nitro gloves have been catching on. And people have been ordering. I mean, people have been ordering 2, 3, even 5 boxes at a time. I'm telling you, these things are really beginning to sell really good. And I'm pretty happy about that. The problem is, I will run out soon. So if you are looking for nitros, I suggest you get them soon. Because once they run out, it's going to take me at least a month to get them in, I think. So I'll find out tonight how long the wait is. But we got a good bit of large right now. Because I ordered, when we did production, we produced, I think I did 3 times the size, 3 times the amount on larges. Because I figured that was going to be the most popular size. And it is. However, the extra large and the mediums, people are starting to buy them up. And so, I don't know. We'll see. Can I see it? John, what do you want to see? The mesh? I'm not sure what you're asking, buddy. Dan is on his way home. I talked to Dan. They are keeping him in the garage for the fireball. No. So anyway, look, I will talk to you guys later. I got to take my daughter to CAP, and you guys have a good night. If you have any questions about the grill mesh or the grill mats, send me an email, david@grillbeast.com. If you are looking to get them and you need them tonight, then you go to grillbeastdeals.com. If not, then after tomorrow, they will be on the website at grillbeast.com. If you're looking to get nitro gloves, I would get them soon because, like I said, the sales are just kind of like going really steady. And when you get a product like that just goes steady, just next thing you know, they're gone. And you didn't realize it because, whatever, I guess that's poor planning. It's essentially, right? So, anyway, yeah, dude, these nitro gloves, and like I'm not on here to sell you nitro gloves, but I'm telling you what, these suckers are, I mean, look, they're nice. And like these are large. Like me, I weigh like 165 pounds. I'm 5'8". So, a large fits me perfect. If you have small hands, go for the medium. If you got really large hands, and I know there's quite a few people with like really big hands that have gotten them the extra large, and they fit really good with them. I don't know what size Jason. I can't remember what size Jason got. I know a lot of people in the group. And do we have anybody on? How many people are on right now? I noticed our Instagram, we've been hovering around, you know, Instagram has never been as big, but I'm starting to do more Instagram stories. So hopefully that picks up too. I'm really, my goal is to really pick up the game on all the social media this year, or actually over the next few weeks, and really hone in, doing some really good stuff, some cool stuff. It's not scrolling. So I can't tell how many people I got on. I do have to roll out. Tyler's going to be late for CAP. And that's it today. Y'all, peace out and take it easy.